Hi guys, welcome back to our channel wherein we always share ideas and knowledge on how to learn and earn from the comfort of our homes. Thank you to those people who always support us, and if you're new to our channel, please like this video and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our uploads. Do you want to be part of one of the largest online transcription and translation agencies in the world? Then join the GoTranscript's professional freelancer community and start working on projects from anywhere, anytime. GoTranscript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. They are always looking to fill their open freelance transcription jobs so they can grow their team and keep pace with customer orders. If you are a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and you want to make a difference in the world, GoTranscript wants you to transcribe with them. Now in GoTranscript, they pay competitive rates for their online transcription jobs. You can do transcription jobs from home. All you need is computer and an internet connection. Get paid reliably. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Work flexible hours. Work as much or as little as you want whenever you want. Receive great support. Their fantastic support team resolves issues promptly. Choose your own projects. Freely choose which jobs to work on. Grow your skills, receive regular feedback, and learn from the rest of the team. Enjoy work variety. Transcribe a police investigation one day and book research the next. Stay busy. They have a steady stream of projects waiting for you. And transcription jobs online. They get new transcribing jobs every day, and you'll always have something to work on. Now in GoTranscript, you can earn up to 60 cents US dollar per audio or video minute, $150 average earnings per month, and $1,215 top monthly earnings. Now how to sign up? Let's go ahead and visit their website. I will put the link in the description box below. Now this is how it looks like. So from their homepage, go right to the bottom and look for, let's go ahead and go down for transcriptionists and click work. And then from here, just scroll down a little bit and look for apply now. And select language, English. Okay, and then we need to sign up by putting in your email address and your password. This is your dashboard. And click join us as a transcriber. This one. And click apply now and select the language. And you need to answer this quiz. To apply for a transcriber position, you must complete this quiz 100% correct using their guidelines. Alright, you can open the guidelines so that you can refer to it when answering. This is how it looks like for their guidelines. You can go ahead and read through it. There is instruction information and the text format descriptions and others. Once you're done, click this job link, quiz, and then you can go ahead and answer it. So once you've completed, click confirm at the bottom, and then you will be routed to the audio quiz. So in here, you gotta listen to the voice. you are going to transcribe it, and you need to put in all your answers on this white box. Okay, and once you're done with everything, just click send it for review, and then you will be receiving an email confirmation in 60 days. So there, I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any topics that you want us to create a video for you, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. We are very much happy to create a video for you. Please consider watching and sharing other videos on our channel too. Those are indeed helpful. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. See you in our next video. Bye!